Grace stronger than the past. Isaiah 43:18 through 19. There are chapters of life we wish we could erase, moments we replay with regret. The past is a way of reminding us of where we fell short and who we were before grace found us. But God does not meet us with condemnation. He meets us with mercy, stronger than our worst mistake. My failures do not get the final word. Grace does. You are not defined by what broke you. You're redeemed by the one who restores you. Grace is stronger than your past.